Let's just dive right in. Today we're unpacking a literal masterclass on how international creators are completely cracking the highly lucrative US market. We're looking at a comprehensive blueprint, which actually started as a Hindi script that's precision engineered to generate massive viral success. And the secret weapon? 8 to 10 minute, highly stylized pop culture exposés.
So, if you're a creator, you've probably asked yourself this at some point. How do you actually capture the American audience? Well, the fastest trending topic dominating the algorithm right now is internet drama and the classic exposé. It's just a massive cultural phenomenon. And to figure out exactly how this engine works, we're going to use the recent controversies surrounding MrBeast, who is, currently the biggest digital creator on the planet, as our definitive blueprint to deconstruct this whole viral format.
Here's our roadmap for this explainer. First, cracking the US market. Then, packaging, titles and thumbnails, the hook and rise, drama, leaks and conflict, the internet divided, and finally, the viral formula explained.
All right, Section 1, Packaging, Titles and Thumbnails. Look, before you even write a single word of your script, your packaging absolutely has to guarantee clicks. Let's look at 3 high-stakes title ideas drawn straight from our source material. How MrBeast almost lost his entire empire in 24 hours. That creates immediate, undeniable urgency. Or the dark side of America's favorite YouTuber, exposed, playing right into those hidden secrets. These aren't just descriptive labels, they are emotional triggers perfectly engineered for the US audience.
And the aesthetic has to perfectly match that psychological intensity. The strategy here calls for a very specific vibe. MrBeast's face split down the middle, half in friendly, normal light, and half in sinister, dark shadow. Right next to him, a digitally shattered 100 million subscriber play button with exposed stamped in massive, bold yellow or red text. This high contrast, almost anime-level intensity basically communicates a massive fall from grace before the viewer even decides to press play.
Moving right along to Section 2, the hook and rise.
Once someone actually clicks, you have exactly 5 seconds to lock them in. Picture this. The screen is flashing with rapid-fire news clips as the narrator hits you with over 200 million subscribers, billions of views, and a multi-million-dollar empire. The whole world considered MrBeast the king of the internet. See what's happening there? You have to build a pedestal as incredibly high as possible so that the impending threat feels genuinely catastrophic.
Right after establishing that massive scale, the script drops this exact hook. What happened in 24 hours that questioned Jimmy Donaldson's entire image? Let's expose this case file. Framing this as a case file is literally a masterstroke. It totally shifts the tone from your standard internet gossip to a serious, true crime-style investigation. It instantly hooks the American viewer because it promises them exclusive, hidden evidence. So the crucial point in this rise section is how meticulously it builds up his persona. We're talking about a normal guy who cracked the algorithm by giving away cars, buying islands, and handing out millions in cash. He basically became synonymous with unlimited money and being a true human. The script intentionally highlights this global messiah image. Why? Well, because to make a scandal truly compelling, you have to perfectly set the stage with a seemingly flawless protagonist. It's like they say, the brighter the light, the darker the shadow.
Which brings us to Section 3, Drama, Leaks, and Conflict.
This is exactly where the narrative introduces the dark catalyst. The music turns suspenseful, and the narrator reveals claims from an ex-employee that surfaced on Twitter and Reddit. But pay attention to the specific angle here. The script doesn't just say, oh, his videos are fake. No, it asks, are the people working on MrBeast's massive sets actually safe? This is huge. It cleverly shifts the accusation from standard YouTube trickery to serious, real-world workplace safety issues. The stakes just went through the roof.
And the script anchors these claims in a very specific, tangible event: the Beast Games leaks. It details how leaked documents claimed reality show contestants were completely lacking basic amenities. For a massive US audience who only ever saw Jimmy as the ultimate, kind, generous on-camera guy, introducing this gritty workplace drama creates a shocking dissonance. It is the ultimate plot twist for our documentary.
Okay, Section 4, the internet divided.
A scandal never exists in a vacuum, right? It lives in the public's reaction. Look at how this maps the American audience's psychological response, basically transforming the event into a full-blown internet war. On one side, you've got the ultra-loyal fans defending him, claiming he's just making content, it's a conspiracy to bring him down. On the flip side, you have the US media and massive creators, people like XQC, Asmongold, and MKBHD, taking the issue head-on.
By spotlighting these two totally polarized factions, the script shows that when a perfect star stumbles, the resulting clash of opinions fuels massive viral engagement. It turns into an event that absolutely everyone has to have an opinion on.
Finally, Section 5. The viral formula explained.
Stepping back from the script itself for a second, why does this exact flow work so incredibly well? Well, the source lays out this strict 5-step storytelling structure: hook, rise, conflict, climax, and question. It's a timeless narrative arc, just adapted perfectly for the digital age. You grab them, build up the hero, introduce the flaw, bring it all to a boiling point, and then you leave them pondering. This specific psychological journey is exactly what the US audience demands. It's predictable in its structure, sure, but completely unpredictable in its details.
But, structure just isn't enough on its own. Execution is absolutely everything. First off, you need a visual change every 3 to 5 seconds to keep retention sky high. Second, you have to maintain strict neutral commentary. Presenting facts like an impartial investigator means you invite viewers from both sides of the argument to watch without anyone feeling alienated. And finally, and honestly, this is the true genius for international creators, this whole format can be completely faceless. By using AI voices like 11 Labs to deliver that perfect, dramatic American accent, creators literally anywhere in the world can seamlessly capture the US market. As the explainer winds down, the script delivers this incredibly dramatic outro. Is this the end of MrBeast's career, or just another storm he will silence with his next master plan video? This brilliantly shows how a cliffhanger ending maximizes audience engagement. It purposely doesn't give a definitive answer. Instead, it acknowledges his long history of overcoming obstacles while totally validating the severity of the current drama.
And that leads us to the final, brilliant stroke of this viral blueprint. The script ends by asking the audience directly, did the internet judge too quickly, or is there more to the truth? By posing this exact provocative question, the creator leaves the viewer actively thinking about the case file they just unpacked. It practically demands that they share their thoughts in the comments, which, of course, drives up engagement metrics and feeds the algorithm. It's just a perfectly engineered system for turning internet drama into a highly retained explainer. So, having seen the blueprint, what do you think? Are you ready to apply this formula to